Today, we're diving deep into a ChatGPT trick that's going to become your new best friend, your personal grammar and syntax checker. For success in your career, clear, concise communication is considered a key factor all over the world. Whether you're crafting an important email, writing an essay, or just trying to make your social media posts shine, grammar and syntax errors can undermine your message and, let's be honest, make you look a little less professional. But what if I told you that you have a powerful, free grammar checker right at your fingertips in the form of ChatGPT? This isn't just about fixing a few typos, folks. This little hack is a game changer for content optimization, AI writing improvement, and getting that ChatGPT productivity boost you've been looking for. Take a look at the prompt we are going to use. Check the following text for grammar and syntax errors. Correct mistakes while keeping the meaning intact. Paste your text. Explain the corrections briefly. Now let's break down this prompt piece by piece. First, check the following text for grammar and syntax errors. This is your direct instruction to ChatGPT. You're telling it exactly what you want it to do. Act as your personal editor. Think of it as your AI grammar assistant. Next, correct mistakes while keeping the meaning intact. This part is crucial. You don't want ChatGPT to rewrite your entire piece or change the core message. You want it to polish, not overhaul. This ensures your unique voice and original intent remain. It's all about preserving content integrity. And finally, paste your text. This is where the magic happens. You'll simply copy and paste the text you want ChatGPT to review right after this phrase. It's so straightforward, anyone can do it. But here's the real secret sauce. Explain the corrections briefly. This isn't just about getting a corrected version, it's about learning and improving your writing skills. ChatGPT won't just silently fix things, it will actually tell you why it made those changes. This is invaluable for writing skill development and understanding common errors. It's like having a personal writing tutor 24/7. Let's see this in action. I've got a little paragraph here with a few intentional mistakes. I'm going to paste it into our prompt. The Muddart Conservatory are a must-see in Edmonton. Its 4-pyramid, each with different plants from varied climates, is truly unique. You should go there if you ever visit Alberta's capital city. Then click Enter. And just like that, boom, ChatGPT has cleaned up my text, and look here, it's explaining the changes. Here's what I got. It not only fixed the subject-verb agreement for Muddart Conservatory is, made pyramids plural, and corrected vary to varying, but it also told me why. This is incredible for proofreading and getting instant grammar feedback. So, who is this ChatGPT prompt for? This prompt is for students who wants to quickly polish the schoolwork, to ensure that their arguments are clear and the presentation is flawless. Marketers and bloggers can use this prompt to quickly catch and correct those errors in their written content. Business professionals can also use it to review and perfect professional correspondence. And lastly, this prompt is for anyone who puts words on a screen. If you're a creative writer, a hobbyist, a frequent texter, or someone who just wants to improve their writing skills, this tool is invaluable. It's a powerful, accessible resource for writing skill development. It not only fixes your mistakes, but, as we saw with the example, it also explains why the changes were made. This turns every use into a learning experience, helping you improve your craft one prompt at a time. Think about the time you'll save on editing. No more agonizing over every comma or feeling unsure about sentence structure. ChatGPT empowers you to write with confidence and clarity. This is truly maximizing your ChatGPT potential. So, there you have it. A simple yet incredibly powerful ChatGPT prompt that will revolutionize your writing. Don't just generate text, refine it, perfect it, and learn from it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into AI prompts. And tell me in the comments below, what's your biggest grammar challenge, and how do you plan to use this prompt? I love hearing from you.